So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Bose headphones are just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing to always remember is that with these types of Bose headphones, a lot of things could end up going wrong, just like with any other headphones. So, number one, just go through and make sure that you have them fully charged up. A lot of the times, if you're running into this type of problem, you might just have to go through and just charge them up. So, go ahead, plug them into their accessory port that you actually need. And what I'd recommend doing here is to go ahead and just have them fully charged up so you can just have them ready to go. So that is basically the number one thing I'd recommend doing is to go ahead, just charge them up and see what kind of happens there. Now, if nothing ends up happening or if it's still not working, you might want to just put them into syncing mode and basically sync them up one more time. So go through, hold down the sync button on the side or slide it over to the right so it kind of goes into syncing. And all you're going to want to do there is just kind of put them in their syncing mode options. So that right there is another very big thing I'd recommend kind of doing there too, because that can probably end up fixing the problem. If that's still not working, you can also try manually plugging in these headphones via the port down here, the headphone jack port. You might want to try plugging that into your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, because sometimes that might end up doing it for you, and that's exactly what I'd end up kind of recommending doing in this situation as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix these headphones. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.